Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. In this video, I want to explain why I bought this broken lithium iron phosphate power station. Now, I was able to extract some of the components inside this power station, and the component inside it is very, very useful. Let's talk about it right now. Okay, so I bought this power station. Now, it doesn't work. I got it for around $150. Normally, the price for these are around, I don't know, if you buy a new, $700 to $800, depending on where you buy it from. If you buy it used, which I did, it's probably going to cost you about $400. But since this is not working, it only cost me $150. Now, why would I buy a broken system, right? Like, I mean, what can this offer? So I was able to take it apart. You can check the video here and see what I did. I'm not going to show you the video itself in detail because it's just too time consuming. And so what I'm going to do is summarize what I did. So basically I took it apart and I was able to diagnose the problem. And the problem is that the board itself is not working. So it wasn't able to show the reading of the battery itself. And I believe the BMS, the battery power management, is also broken as well. So these two components is not useful. Although I didn't diagnose it in detail, I might be able to salvage some of those components in there, but that's not why I bought the power station. The most important I was able to get out of it, and you can check this video here, where I was able to extract the following. This is what I was looking for. This is the lithium iron phosphate batteries. Now what's surprising about this unit is that the lithium iron phosphate is actually not in 4 cells, but in 20 cells of these cylinder type. Okay, as you can see here, the cylinder types. Initially I said, oh man, that's not good. I wanted the 4 cells one, which has higher capacity. And each one is about 3.2 voltage, and it can go all the way to 3.65. So I was thinking I was purchasing those type of cells. So when I opened up the power station and I saw this cylinder type of lithium iron phosphate batteries, I was a little bit disappointed. But then I realized, wait a minute, this cylinder is still hold about 45 to 50 watt hour power, and that is not bad. If you put it together, let's say put the 4 cells together, what you end up getting is a 12.8 volt battery, just like a lead acid battery. That's almost 200 watt hour battery, which is very, very useful and it's very compact. Let me show you what I end up using it for. So here you can see I was able to make a 12.8 volt battery system. There it is, okay, just without the BMS built in, because the way it's designed here is that it's just connect in series. So you have 3.2 connect in series to give you 12.8 volt batteries, and then it can go all the way to 14 something voltage. And inside these battery, when you connect it in series, you get around almost 200 watt hour. I would say about 170 watt hour that is usable. And so very compact, as you can see here, 170 watt, and there it is. And you just connect the battery in series, and I have a solder to solder the 4 battery together, and I end up getting a very powerful battery. Now, I would have to connect it to a special car adapter, as you can see here. Let me just connect this quickly. Okay, and what you see is this car socket, and I connect the USB-C power plug in here, so I can charge my phone, I can charge my smart devices, and even a laptop that uses USB-C power system. So there we go. This battery system, for example, for my LG ThinQ smartphone, I was able to charge it, based on 170 watt hour. I'm looking about at least, I would say 10 times, right? 10 times I can charge that smartphone, and that's like over a week worth of charging, which is quite amazing just for this little compact battery. Now what I am finding out is that because it's in the cylinder type of battery, you can see that we actually have 20 of them. So if you think about it, if there's 4 I can make into a 12.8 volt, I can actually make 5 sets. 5 sets, that's equivalent to about 1,000 watt hour. That's pretty powerful. But then the 1,000 watt hour is divided into around 200 watt, you can see here, right? Basically, I have a battery system, 5 different 12.8 volt battery, about 200 watt hour, that I can use to power all my smart devices. And it's so small, you can see, so portable and very flexible, and don't have to worry about BMS. I will have to manually monitor it myself to make sure that the voltage are consistent between the 4 cells. But other than that, this is a very useful battery system, because remember, lithium iron phosphate allows you to charge over, I think for this type, over 3,000 to 4,000 times. That's like 6 to 8 times more powerful than lithium ions battery, and probably over 20 times more powerful than the lead acid battery because of the weight, the size, and the cycling of recharging. This is a very useful type of battery, and I was able to get, so if I got 5 set of these and I got for 150 bucks, you're looking about $30 for a 200 watt hour system, which is really cheap. You're looking at between 12 to 15 cents per watt hour, and that will last me, like just for this one set, will last me for 8 to 10 years in theory anyway, for charging my smartphone, my smart devices. And I have 5 of these from a salvage battery system. So very useful. I don't regret buying the power station that was broken. I ended up making it into a very powerful battery system, and it's very portable. I can carry with me. I think this battery system is great for camping, for off-grid system. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation. I hope you can do the same thing. Take a lithium iron phosphate battery from a broken power station, and hopefully you get this type of cylinder cells, and you put it together in a series of 4 cells, and you're able to make a portable power station that is able to charge your smartphone and smart devices and will last you for years and years. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.